Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying tools and workspace. First, make sure the Airpods are off and cooled. Remove any ear tips. Then, gently pry the seam using a spudger starting at the hinge edge to separate the shell. Apply steady, even pressure so you don't deform the case. Once the seam opens slightly, insert a thin pick and work around the perimeter. Make sure to keep screws and clips organized in order so reassembly is straightforward. Once opened, locate the battery module beneath the PCB. You'll remove a few tiny screws and lift the board just enough to expose the battery tabs. You must desolder or unclip the old battery. Work with a temperature-controlled, soldering iron and steady hands to avoid damaging traces. After removing the old cell, fit the replacement in the same orientation. Make sure you reconnect the battery connector and measure voltage to confirm a good connection before you close things up. You finish by repositioning the PCB and lowering the shell halves together while aligning clips. Tighten screws in a cross pattern and press the case shut evenly to avoid gaps. Once reassembled, charge the Airpods fully and pair them with your device. Play audio to verify functionality and observe battery percentage for normal drain. If something's wrong, power down and inspect connectors and solder joints. Make sure the battery polarity and voltage match specifications. This single check resolves most post-repair failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.